Hello everyone, this is Yogesh and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see the code for class and object. Like in the last day, I already explained you what is class, what is object, what are the feature of OOPS, why we are using the OOPS. I think these things are clear with you all, right? So today we will go through a basic template of the code. Like because a lot of you wanted how to write code in Java and all. So for that, I will be first showing those things, and then we will start with the like principle of OOPS and then access specifiers. Those things we will start. Right. So before starting a video, if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified first when we upload our new video, right? So let's start. So today's concept is our class and object, right? Class and object. Okay, so like in the last video I explained you a example of building, right? I gave an example of building, so let's see that example only through code. So what I will be doing is that I will be creating one class. So see this properly, like how to write. So like this, you can simply create a class. That is, you can write class keyword and you can write the name of that class. Okay, so this is the name of that class, that is building. Okay, now what I will creating is that I will be creating some variables. So let's see what are the components are there inside a class. So let's create, for example, we have rooms inside a building. What are the things we can have inside a building? We can have rooms, we can have kitchen, we can have kitchens, we can have bathrooms, right? And let's keep three things only, because in the last video I explained you like we can have a lot of things. We can have gym, we can have playing grounds and all. Like you can have a lot of things, but let's take an example that we have three components: rooms, kitchen and bathrooms, right? So like there is a concept of constructor, but not explaining right now because I will be covering that in a separate video. Okay, so now these are the variables, correct? Now let's create a functions through which we can update the values for these variables and we can print this variable. So for that, let's take some functions. So I can directly write set rooms. I'm creating this and passing a value. So I can write this dot rooms equals to rooms. So what does this means? What this signifies? So this basically denote this present class only, like present. What is the current class? Current class is building only. So building is right. So this will denote the current class, and current class is building. So like we have written rooms here, right? And this is also rooms. So if I write like this, so there will be some confusion, right? Like this room is this one or this one, we will have confusion, correct? Like we have simply written rooms equal to room. I know that this room is this wala room and this room is this wala room, I know, but how this computer will know that which room is which one, right? So to signify that I am pointing to this room, so for that I have to write this dot, right? So if I write like this, so whenever I am mentioning this keyword, so it signifies that I am using the variables of current class. Fine, I'm using the variables of current class. So now this room is this one and this wala room is this one. Okay, so I guess this is clear. So similarly, let's make some functions for like kitchens. So let's make this dot kitchens equals to kitchens, and similarly we can set bathrooms as well, right? So we can set this dot bathroom is equals to bathrooms. Fine. So we have created three functions which will update the values of these three variables, right? Now let's write a function so that we can print this information. So if I want to print rooms, so simply you can directly, what you can do is that you can simply write rooms. Okay, and here you can write rooms. So this room is this one, right? The variable inside this class. Okay, so if I write the three functions, that is to print kitchen, okay, kitchens, and I am writing print kitchens. Okay, I am printing the kitchens. Okay, so writing like this, write one more function to print this one, that is, or like either print, you can directly write like this, that is get rooms. you can write like this, get rooms, yeah, print anything you can write, kitchens, kitchens, or here also you can write like this, get bathrooms, fine. And here I am printing BATHRO, bathrooms, right, like this. So we have prepared some functions, that is, first this is my class, okay, I have written the class. Inside this I have written some variables, that is rooms, like what are the states are there, rooms, kitchen, bathrooms. I have prepared some functions, and this function will update my variables and they will print my variables, right? So for that 6 functions I have written. Now let's see how to make an object. So for that you have to write like this, building, then the name of that object. So let's make the complex A. Like I told, now a building there will be lots of complex A, complex B, complex C. So let's make them as complex, right? So first is my complex A equals to, you have to use a new keyword to create an object, and then again building, right? So like this, an object is created with a name complex A. Now you can simply use this name of the object, okay? You can use this name to get all the information, that is, you can get all the 3 variables, that is bathroom, room, kitchen. You can call all the functions as well. So like simply you can set rooms, and I can update with 50 rooms, like I will be having 50 number of rooms in the complex A. Complex A will have for example number of kitchens, we have 20 number of kitchens. Complex will have some bathrooms, that is, we will have 10 number of bathrooms. So basically with these 3 functions I can simply update these 3 variables, right? I can simply update these variables. So like I have updated with these functions. Now if I want to print, so for that I can directly write get rooms, it will print that one. I can write get kitchen, and I can write get bathrooms. So this 3, like I've written the name of the object dot get rooms, so this will call this function and this will execute this line, okay? So number of rooms will be printed, number of kitchens will be printed, number of bathrooms will be printed. If I try to run this code, then you can see in the output, yeah, so you can see that rooms, kitchens and bathrooms are getting printed. So this way for complex A, right? But if I want to make one more building, that is complex B, so are we going to write the whole thing again? Are we going to write the whole thing again for the new building? No, right? Because we already have this syntax, that is template. I already have the template, simply I will reuse this template, right? So what I told, for the features I will be explaining the concepts, and through that only I will be justifying you the features as well. So you can see that we are not writing the functions and again we're just reusing it. So simply we can directly make one more object, that is building complex B as new building, right? And simply you can write complex B dot like I'm setting the rooms, okay? So I can write 100 number of rooms, and simply I am printing, that is get rooms. I am printing this rooms. So if I will try to run this code, so we'll see that first this one will be printed, and then for complex B also the rooms will be printed. So if I run this code, so in the output console you will see that, yeah, so here you can see that the first 3 informations are for the complex A and this is for complex B, right? Because you can see that we have created a new object, complex B, and for that we have, like for complex B we have updated the total number of rooms, and the upper one was for the complex A. So basically we are not rewriting the code again, simply we are reusing the template by creating multiple objects. So I guess with this example you are able to understand what is class, what is objects, how to write the variables, how to write the functions inside the class, and how to make the object and how to use those variables and all, right? So this was the thing, right? And yeah, I guess you have understood about this code. So in the next day we will see some principle of OOPS and different things, okay? So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you're new to our channel, then please subscribe, guys, and if you like this video, then please do like this video, okay? So yeah, let's meet in some another video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.